Is it recording now?
Yes.
Good. Hi. Since I created a nuke last time, I decided to not do that ever again anyways. Today we are here for doing some really safe projects. Here is a green LED and I'm going to turn this one with DC voltage this time. Alright, let's connect this thing carefully. Oh wow, I was expected this to be a bigger explosion. Anyway, what else should
I'm going to watch some YouTube.
Eat like a king who's on a budget. 3 tasty options, fries, drink, and nuggets, all for $5. Wait, that can't be right.
Yes, it can.
Hey, I am here to replace you again.
Hey, not you, Aga.
Oh my god, that is so annoying. Stop that.
I'm glad you like it.
I'ma fire my laser if you don't stop it.
Of course I'll do it again for you.
Oh my god, you're such a
Hey. Why are you here?
I'm here to fire my laser.
You're fat as all hell.
You're built like a fucking tapeworm.
At least I'm not built like Nikocado Avocado with your round obtuse McDonald's enthusiast self.
I am awesome and you suck.
Deal with it.
So P51, don't you like when people just nicely refurbish you and then put you back into service?
Wake up.
P51, what's the matter, my friend?
Wake up.
P51, you're getting me worried.
Wake up.
P51, seriously, I'm worried now. What's going on?
Wake up. None of this is real. You have been putting out of service since 16 years ago. You must let go.
Wait.
Joey, did you eat my sandwich? I am your sandwich.
And now, the award for best sarcasm goes to this guy.
Oh wow, thank you so much!
Holy buckets. That is a holy bucket.
Hey. I may have holes, but I'm still louder than you. Deal with it.
Haha. I have the high ground now, beast.
Do you?
Jason.
Here.
Henry.
Here.
Hey, you're so weird telling us our names, lol.
Right, I'll tell you what, you f***.
Alright, it's just me against a MiG-29. Just need to focus and get his position so I can get a splash.
Come on, he's right there. Get him. He's damaged.
Guys, could you shut up? I'm trying to clutch.
Bro, he's so low. Just shoot him and he'll go down. Bro, you're throwing this dogfight. God, you're trash.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm going to nuke your ass if you don't annihilate him.
Funny coming from the guy who got shot down as soon as he entered the airspace. Turn off your IR missile, goddammit. Oh fuck, he's locking me.
Remind me to never invite this guy to our squadron.
Fuck this mission, man.
Good morning, people. Since I am getting PTSD whenever I work with electronics, I have decided to try and just use a AA battery for my next project. First, you get a AA battery. Where the hell can you find one? I don't know. But surely I can find— oh hell, I forgot to turn off this microwave transfer.
They said it couldn't be done. We got the triple Fanta tragedy. Triple Fanta tragedy. Triple Fanta tragedy. Ah!
I would like my view to be a little less yellow. If you know what I mean.
Hope you like gray.
I still can't believe what happened 5 months ago.
Hi, I'm back.
Wait, that sounds familiar.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
What's wrong?
You seriously don't remember what you did 5 months ago?
Oh, that I harassed you?
Yes, that you fucking harassed me. Now leave me the alone.
Ha ha! Someone's angry version 2.0.
Do you want me to make you regret life decisions again or not? Your choice.
No thanks.
That's what I thought. Now go harass somebody else, you Karen-looking ass.
Oh man, I can't believe what I just saw with my own eyes.
Shut up, British boy.
Shut your goofy ass up, don't get me started on your dead brothers.
LMFAO, to be honest, you deserve it.
That's the second time you harassed him this month. You are now coming with me.
Okay class, today we will be taking a test. Hornet, where is your pencil?
It's up here, mama.
Hey guys, today we're going to pull the fire alarm. So let's just pull down. Oh shit, now run.
Thunderbolt? I think they got our paint jobs mixed up.
You think?
Hello? I am here to replace you. Oh my god, he has a flamethrower. Hello, I'm here to replace you. Oh my god. That is so nasty.
I am a tornado. Yeah, well I'm a thunderbolt, and you suck. Okay class. Does anyone know what the square root of 16 is?
Ooh. I know. It's up your—
Appreciating this truly beautiful evening, a night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football.
I love watching this
Really are
football.
something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights, traffic and transport round here.
Want a break from the ads? You tap now to watch a
I'm
short
going to
video.
turn off
You'll
this
receive
TV.
30 minutes of ad-free music.
That's what you get. You're not supposed to turn off the TV.
Same here, mate.
You tap now to watch a short video. You'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Life is pain. Nothing but perpetual sadness. Then you die and feel nothing. Remember nothing. See nothing.
Whoa. Hurricane. You go on emo or something?
Shut up.
Hello? Hey, what's up? I need your help. Can you come here? I can't. I'm buying clothes. Alright, well, hurry up and come over here. I can't find them. What do you mean you can't find them? I can't find them. There's only soup. What do you mean there's only soup? It means there's only soup. Well, then get out of the soup aisle! Alright, you don't have to shout at me! There's more soup! What do you mean there's more soup? There's just more soup! Go into the next aisle! There's still soup! Where are you right now? I'm at soup! What do you mean you're at soup? I mean I'm at soup! What store are you in? I'm at the soup store! Why are you buying clothes at the soup store? You!
What a beautiful day. Nothing could ruin this day, nothing. I need some walk.
Ah, another day, another dollar.
Hey, can you just move out of my way? I need for some walk.
Excuse me, who the heck are you?
I am Falcon, and who are you?
Me? Well, I'm Cat. I'm looking for something, any object.
Oh wow. You look like a one of another usual.
Get out of here, you rusty pile of garbage. You're not as fetish as me. Plus, that joke is an inspiration, not cool, man.
What's all those bloody going on here, Yank?
Falcon is just be a jerk.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You are just trying to show off and it's not gonna work. You aren't even that RWR sound that I am.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
This is what I mean.
Oh, but I'm still cooler than you. You just sound like a big old fart. I have a best ruralier sound Blair.
But your head is remind a F-15 Eagle.
Well, you look like an overdose, Missly Guide.
Is not.
Is too.
Stop it, both of you.
Now you see what I talk about. It's just be a jerk.
I most certainly am not.
Yes, it does.
No, I'm completely
yes,
not. You
I
asking
completely
me
asking
to
me
jerking.
Don't worry. I know how to set off this. You see they are fighting, tell both guys stop fight.
Alright, stop fighting both of you. What the hell is going on here?
Tomcat was trying to beat me, so I am giving him the taste of own medicine.
Oh wow! Dude, I can believe Falcon was fighting with Tomcat, and now it's completely World Star.
Yeah. Let's upload it on video for everyone would like it.
Good idea.